Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my journal junk box and my journal junk sack, so let's get into them. Check them out. If you're into stationery, scrapbooking, just like writing your notes as opposed to always using your computer, have grandkids that love to play with these kind of things, there are a million reasons to get this box. I will put my code, Catherine Love, below. That will get you 15% off your first box. I will put the link and make it easier for you to go over and check it out. They have the journal junk sack, the journal junk box. You can order either or both of them. This starts at $27.95, this at $52, and they are filled with so many goodies. Let's jump into the sack first. Mine was in a bigger shipping bag, so I don't have the journal junk bag to show you, but if you had yours, obviously, it would come in a journal junk bag, and then you can take your bundle out, and it is filled with goodies. Each month we generally have papers, pens, stickers, notebooks, that kind of thing. We have our, here we go. Here's our paperwork that says journal junk sack. And let's just dive in. I don't have any paperwork, it doesn't look like, that tells us what we have in here. So we'll wing it. We can tell what things are. We have a little card. We get one of these each month. You can use it in your scrapbooking or for a bookmark, anything you think of. I also have in my bedroom, I've talked about this before, one of the old-fashioned Vera Bradley bulletin board type things with the ribbon in it that you can tuck things in, and I have the most updated pictures of like my girls and my cousins and my nieces, those kinds of things, and I tuck these in them when they are sayings that speak to me. This one says, happiness is itself a kind of gratitude. That is true. Each month we also get a bookmark with journal prompts on it. Just for the record, on the back of this, it shows you a way, like if you get it and you love it, you can share it with your friends. Give a friend $25 toward their first box and earn $10 when you refer a friend, and it shows you how to do that. So if you sign up, you can then do that. First, we have paper clips. These are so cute. We have 6 and they are just, they look like buttons, and it says, well, let's get them out here. When we take them out, that is what they look like. You can see they are really buttons, and they're just colors. This one says explore, love this, a pretty bird, moments captured, and a camera. Those are really cool. This is, people use these for scrapbooking. Have sitting in front of me, I'll try and show you, notes. And these are notes on all of the boxes that I do, like this one. So I can tell you that with Catherine Love, you get 15% off. I keep all of those notes, and usually I have them put together. It's a long way to tell you. I have them put together with a cute little paper clip. So that is one way that I use them in my life. Next, we have 3D stickers, and these are from Paper House, and they are all about travel. I talked about this last month with a different box. We got the Fruit for Thought. We had a Je t'aime party, and I was saying when I go to put my pictures together for like Disney World, if I want to do a Ratatouille theme, that would be perfect for that. This would just be generally good for any vacation. You have travel around the world, adventure, pack it up, let's go see the world, adventure is out there. Those are so cute. And then again, we have the camera one. I feel like I want to pull all the camera ones out of here and in some way use them for the channel. Those are so cute. Next, we have Travel Checklist Journal, a portable trip planner and diary. So that's definitely our theme this month, is travel and vacations. That's really cool. And I always talk about I'm a writer, so I love the books, the pens, all of that kind of thing. When we get it out, it's kind of, slick, is that the word you would use? It's kind of a glossy front, and it says, make this journal your constant companion as you map out and enjoy the vacation or holiday you envision. Where will you go? Probably Disney World. Where will you stay? Any must-dine restaurants? Oh, a million. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, and it asks you that. Oh, interesting. Wow. This would just be incredible for planning. If you guys are Disney people and you are out there planning Disney trips like I am, this is amazing. Let me show you. Do your medical, your contacts, that kind of thing. Then you can plan out the month, the things like, you know, if you're going to Disney 80 days out, you have to do things 60, 30. You got to plan. Packing lists, things that you can think of packing. Don't forget things I still need to do. And then you have an itinerary. Day 1, destination, how to get there, travel companions. And then afterwards you do best part of today, fun story from today, what I will remember most. Oh my goodness, I would so have loved to have this on my Disney trip with my girls just to write down everything. Then day 2, because you know, one day you do Animal Kingdom and then Magic Kingdom. We did Universal 2 different days. And it is the same thing, 14 days worth, or technically you could do 2 7-day trips. And then you have reflections, favorite sites, favorite activities, who I met, detours, unexpected notes, foreign phrases. This is awesome. I would love to have had this for our Disney trip. And last in the journal junk sack, we have what looks like a really fun pen. And it is the multi-ink ballpoint. Let's get it out. So cute. It's just like one of the chunky. I have some of the Bic. Do I have one here? Yes. I use these Bic pens that have the 4 colors. You know, it's the generation I am, and they still make me happy. So this will be fun. This has more colors. This has blue and red and orange and green, and I guess maybe purple and black. This has a ton. Let's write with one of them. So, can you guys see? I don't know. That orange is kind of light. Can you see where I wrote orange? I hope that that's showing here. Let's pick a darker color. Let's go with that. Let's actually find out if that's a blue or a purple. Oh, it's purple. Good, I started writing purple. This is so nice. And look, it doesn't seem to be making any spots or drags or anything. So that is fun. Okay, that is this month's journal junk sack. I will put all the information down below. It starts at $27.95, but if you extend it to, you know, 6 and 12 months, you can bring the price down. Let's now dive into the journal junk box, which is usually the same theme. It just has more items in it. It comes in this really pretty box, nice and pink. These, by the way, are the March boxes. When you open it up, it says, "Thank you." That is what it looks like. First out, we have our paperwork. So we have our little journal prompts, and this one says journal junk box. And then we have March, travel more, worry less. And this just tells us on the back a little bit, mostly the names and who made each of the items that we have and their value. And it's March journal prompts, and then it gives it to you by week. So week 1, what is your favorite place to explore and why? Describe your favorite thing to do when you travel. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be? What has traveling taught you about yourself? All good questions. Okay, first out, we have a Sip Sip Hooray. I think this is one of the things that I put in the car in the cup holder, and it absorbs the liquid off of cups. I think these are fantastic. We needed one more. We already had 2 in my husband's car and 1 in mine, just by virtue of what I've gotten in boxes. This will round it out if I am correct. Yes, it is an absorbent car coaster by SB Design, and it has a $5.99 value. I love that mine says Sip Sip Hooray. That is cute. Okay, next out, ooh, a big pack of stickers. Is it stickers? Stationery. So these you will probably tape down or glue down. I don't know that they're stickers, but there is a ton of them. These are so nice. There are 20 if you scrapbook or if you journal. A lot of people do the junk journaling. So as you do your days, you can go back, you can leave spaces and go back and tape or glue down in some way these stickers so that when you go back and read it, it's just more fun to read. I like to use the double-sided stickers. I got into those with my scrapbooking so you can't see it. It's just kind of laying there, and it says these delightful embellishments are the perfect finishing touch for any project. I love that. So there's big ones and small ones, and look, these look like tickets. So cute. Next out, we have a round trip 12 paper clips. It's a cute little box. And when we take it out, oh look, they're just little colored paper clips. Let's see what they look like. Oh my gosh. Look, this one, can you tell? Here, 2 hands. This one looks like an envelope with a heart on it. This one looks like an airplane. These are absolutely adorable. Ice cream cone, how cute is that? Is that better? That might be better. Oh yeah, maybe with my dark hair. Those are so cute. Those are the shapes we have, and there are 12. So in theory, there are 4 of each. Those are stinking adorable. And next out, ooh, we have our pen. Oh, that is so pretty. It looks like a map. How gorgeous is that? It is from Punch Studio. Oh my gosh, that is just stunning. That is gorgeous. When we take it out, it's maps. It's like a map of the world, but in a pen. That is so pretty. Actually, it's different maps. They're all, can you tell they're all circles that are like globes? I guess cloves is the better word than maps. It's just a black ballpoint pen. It writes very nicely. That would make such a lovely presentation as a gift. I mean, wouldn't that be such a pretty gift? I'm not giving it away. I'm keeping it in case there was any question. I was just saying it would make a pretty gift. All right, next we have 446 stickers. Is that true? That is, yeah, that is a lot of stickers. Oh my gosh. That is crazy to me. That is what it looks like. It is from American Crafts. This shows all of the different pages. You can see there are smaller ones, but still 446. Those are gorgeous. It says Wander, November, Favorite, Let's Go. Oh, this one, I love the look of this one. Isn't that pretty? Looks like all of the things you would use in travel, like luggage tags and airline tickets and postage, just so many. They're so stinking cute. How cute are they? I mean, oh my goodness. Wow, here's where we get a lot of them. We have numbers and letters and little words. Then we have the gorgeous flowers. I mean, this just goes on and on. One more. We have banners that you could write anything you wanted to write on them, you know, at the top of a title page. That is amazing. Next out, we have stamps. Easily add fun, cute shapes and designs. Simply peel the stamp from the transparent sheet and apply to an acrylic block. And then you'll have your own ink stamp. I used so many of these when I was scrapbooking all of the time. I bought so many stamps. Generally now, if I scrapbook, I use what I have. I don't usually buy too much more. So this box has been fantastic for me because it's refreshing my stock a little. These are really, really a cute idea. Okay, next we have, oh, a postcard book. 16 postcards. This is really neat. I know that a lot of people use these when they travel, but sometimes I just want to drop a note that says hey to somebody, and this is such a fantastic way to do it. Okay, once we get it open, oh, they're gorgeous. Once we get it open, look how pretty they are. So you have a floral, and then that one just looks like a town. Oh, and that one has airplanes all over it. These are so cool. This one looks like tickets and luggage tags. These are really neat. So you have 16 of these. What a great way to just write somebody a note. Love that. And then last we have our notebook. And you guys know, I love the notebooks in journal. This says Adventure Beckons, Rome, cherish every moment, the travel life, enjoy the ride, bon voyage, wanderlust. It just keeps on going. This would look lovely sitting on a table just aesthetically. I would probably put like a black pen or a white pen with it so it looked very intentional sitting next to my chair in the living room or on my nightstand vanity. But it says it's 160 lined pages, elastic band placeholder, acid-free archival paper, binding lies flat for ease of use. Wow, that is quality. This is from Peter Pauper Press. So when you get into it, I love that it has the rounded edges and it's just a lined notebook. You guys know, I love a good journal, and you could absolutely lie it flat to write in it. Write all your notes, your burn book, whatever you want. This is really, really neat. I like that a lot. That is the Journal Junk box. In the Journal Junk box, we had the travel journal, the postcard book, that is gorgeous, our pretty travel pen, the stamps that you can use for journaling or however it is you would like, 446 stickers, the adorable airplane and envelope and ice cream cone paper clips, the stationery pieces that you can put in scrapbooking or your journals, wherever you would like to use those, the Sip Sip Hooray absorbent coaster, so when you get in your car and you're on the go, you're ready to travel. That is Travel More, Worry Less. I will put all of the information down below if you would like to go over and check it out. That is what it looks like for the month. This was just the box. We also had the sack, and that was fantastic too. But you can see there's kind of a theme. You're gonna have a real stationery theme. A book, a pen, some stickers, things that go with stickers. I enjoy it so much. Thank you so much for coming by. Again, I will put the link down below with Catherine Love. Will get you 15% off your first box. And I hope I will see you again soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.